Question 34. The table shows the future values of an annuity of $1 for different interest rates for 4, 5, and 6 years. The contributions are made at the end of each year. An annuity account is opened and contributions of $2,000 are made at the end of each year for 7 years. For the first 6 years, the interest rate is 4% per annum compounded annually. For the 7th year, the interest rate increases to 5% per annum compounded annually. Calculate the amount in the account immediately after the 7th contribution is made. One way to answer this question is to split it into two parts. In the first part, we find the future value of the investment after 6 years using the table of interest factors given. And in the second part, we find the value of the investment after the 7th contribution is made using the compound interest formula. So to find the future value after 6 years, we're going to use the table of interest factors given. So to locate the correct interest factor, firstly locate the correct row. So we're dealing with the first 6 years, so it's going to be row 6, and it's 4% per annum compounded annually, so it's going to be the 4% column. So where the row and the column intersect, this value here is the correct interest rate factor to use. So the future value of the investment after 6 years is the value of each contribution multiplied by the interest rate factor we just found, which is 6.633. So 2,000 multiplied by 6.633 is equal to $13,266. So to find the future value of the investment after the 7th year, we apply the compound interest formula. So we take the value that we found previously, which is 13,266, and that's going to be increased by 5%. So 13,266 multiplied by 1 plus 5% to the power of 1, so that's applying the compound interest formula, plus the 7th contribution, which is why this is highlighted here, and that equals $15,929.30.